Hello, children. Let's read the numbers together. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Great job, everyone. We have red, blue, purple, and green colored papers here. Which number should go here? The answer is 2. 2? Very good! What number goes on the blue paper? That's right, it's 4. 4! Great job! Then, do you know which number goes on the purple paper? It's number 6. 6. And on the very last green paper, number 8 goes in. 8. Let's read the numbers from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job! A monkey and a squirrel came to the playground. A hippo and a fox came along too. How many friends are gathered at the playground? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 friends. They go down the slide, hang on the bars, and ride the swings. It's so much fun playing with friends. They are sitting around the table to have a snack. Our friends brought a banana, an acorn, an apple, and some grapes. How many kinds of fruits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. There are 4 kinds of fruits. Everyone is sharing the snacks together. It tastes even better because we're sharing. We have many fruits and vegetables. Let's put the fruits and vegetables in the circle and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good! Let's put some in the blue square too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lastly, let's put them in the red square. 1, 2, 3. Good job! This time, let's count again and write down the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write down number 5. 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write down number 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's write down number 3. 3. Wonderful! There are many numbers written here. And we have some colored papers. Shall we unfold the papers and color the numbers we find? 4. Let's find 4 and color it in.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a happy fur. A, B, E, sing with me.
Very good.
F, G, H, dance so happily.
2. Let's look for number 2.
Learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish swimming in a crowd.
6.
Climbing so high.
Let's color number 6.
Reach into the sky. A, B, E, sing with me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily.
5. This time, let's find number 5.
every day.
Now, let's find 0 and color it.
Round. J is for jump up off the ground.
On the last green paper, number 7 is written. Let's find 7 and color it.
N-O-P. What a ride. Q-R-S-T.
We found them all.
Almost through.
Now, shall we draw over the colored parts with a red crayon?
ABCs. Singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3. Let's go learn, you and me. The alphabet is fun.
Wow! It looks just like the number 4. You did a great job.